Okay, CP1. No, see the reading. Here is a some trick. Worse than a trick, just see on the DC supply. Okay, right now I have not connected the DC. Okay, not connected now. So see the DC reading first. Okay, when we connect our DC, okay, its standby is 0.032. Okay, now let's trick the MBD. Just trick the MBD. Oh, this one is on. This one is trick. Okay, MBD is on. See, everything is okay now. Right now, it's taking good ampere, having fluctuation. Okay, having also a good fluctuation. Yes, wait, just wait and watch. See, having fluctuation, trying for the display, and directly goes down to 000. Normally, what happens in a board? If board is getting on and off, if standby should be there, na? Standby amp जो है मेरा reading का, it should be there. Okay, but right now it's complete zero. Why? This is the problem. Okay, first problem is this. Why it's getting down and go to directly 0. Now let's check the 19 volt line again. Okay. So it's 19 volt. This is the input. Input in 19.73 is good. No, see the output is gone. ये चला गया, ठीक है? Output चला गया. So it's not a problem of CPU. Maybe the CPU is faulty. It depends. Okay, but right now this voltage should pass, na? Okay, this voltage should pass. So we will check its battery IC requirements. Okay, now let's go to its battery IC. PU100. Control F. PU100. Oh. Wait, see, this is the battery IC. Its number is 24780. Okay, it's a simple. How many pins? 28 pins, no? 28 pins IC. Now tell me the pin outs. Which one is the power and ground? Power, ground, tell me. I will check and tell you. Hey. VCC, tell me the pin number, man. 28. Okay. This one is the pin number 28. 19.4. This side is the one. Okay. 19.46. It's clear. Okay, it's okay. Now ground is okay because it's placed properly. Now next, pin number 6, AC detect. Okay, AC detect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is the 6. And this one is 6. AC detect. It's low, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What one is 6? This one is the 6. 2.7. Okay, 2.7 as per the voltage divider. Okay, so 2.7. Okay, now next, pin number 24 is reason. 24 7 24 or 25. Yeah, 24 is in reason. Okay, It's releasing 5.99 volt, and after that, that reason goes to where? BTST. Okay, 25. See on 25, 5.68, and other side 5.67. Okay, see, one side having 5.68 and other side having 5.66. One side 5.68, other side 5.66. It's only a 2 ohms resistor, and it's consume 0.02, 0.01. See, 2 ohms resistor will act as a fuse, na? It act as a 0 ohms resistor, means it should pass the same voltage. Okay, same voltage. But see, yeah, one side 5.69 and other side 5.6766 sometimes. 0.02 or 0.01 is consuming always. Okay, this is not correct ना. यही लॉजिक होता है जो ना हम बताए हैं. Means 3.3 should be 3.3, not 3.1 or 3.0. ठीक है? Now check this register. Okay, this register, this one. I am checking this one. PR101 is clear written 2.2 ohms na, and schematic on pin number 25. See the value 250. Problem na? Problem है ना ये चीज? It's open. Okay, it's open. So just remove it and put a register there. This Lenovo board components are not good. If you give little hit, component darkly come out. Very lightweighted they are made. Okay, I have 2.2 ohms here. Okay, this one is okay. 2.2 ohms. We will use this one. Now let's check the impedance again. Okay, that's good. Okay, now correct the second. Five 5.69. Same voltage. See, input 5.69. Now output 5.69. Okay, same voltage is passing. Now check. Bring the board. Now see on the DC. Bring the USB keyboard also. Bring that. Hey, no need of RAM, man. It's a inbuilt. Okay, RAM is inbuilt. See. Going there. See, it's having a fluctuation. It's taking fluctuation. See, now it's getting down, but not off. See, display is there. Display is there. Okay. First it's taking 600, 700 amps, and again it's taking reset and goes down, and at 0.348 means 350 nearby amp, let's give display. Okay, so this is the basic things. Okay, okay, this is the basic thing, means because of the battery section it's affect your board is getting on and off. Okay, the basic, always try to use the basic concept of repairing. Okay, in new series board it's very easy to repair. Okay, in new series board, because see, there is nothing to check. No, see, everything is blank. There are no protection circuit. Company have saved the money. Okay, ठीक है, done. Okay, oh, okay guys, thank you for watching video.
So if you want to get the knowledge on bias modding, you can just purchase our Hindi edition. All the videos are available already, and along with that there are many case studies as well as some videos theoretically on impedance and voltages are also there. With the help of DSO, how you can check the motherboard are also included on this videos. So complete package is of around 40 plus videos. You can, if you like, you can just purchase them. It is a full of knowledge. You can enjoy the videos, and it is 100% money back videos. Your money will not be wasted for that. So if you like to join our bias and schematics group, you can also contact us for joining that. As well as we also have a training program of laptop chip level, advanced level. If you like to join that, you can also come and join that. So thanks for watching Aditya11ttt YouTube channel. If you like our channel, do hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. Thanks a lot.